Hey all, it's Christina. Alright, so I just got this in the mail. I'm not sure what it is, so I'm gonna go and find out what it is. I have already cut it open right here, so let's go and open it. Alright. Ooh! I was expecting this. Alright. Alright, so I got it's from Tryit. Alright, let's see here. This is their this is Starbucks medium roast premium instant coffee. I think Alright, hold on. Alright, so I just double checked. It is what I ordered. I thought I ordered the chocolate one, but apparently I just ordered the medium roast, premium instant coffee. So let's see here. What does it say? Let's see. Hey Charlie. I'll be right back again. Alright, so I have my Starbucks cup. Got this at Walgreens a few years ago. And I thought maybe it'd be fitting since I thought maybe it'd be fitting since I have Starbucks coffee that it go in my coffee cup. The matching coffee cup. Alright, so let's see. It says for an 8-ounce cup of coffee is to add 2 teaspoons of the coffee itself. And 2. Alright, so
water's all nice and hot.
Alright, get the 1 cup. Yeah, it's like my brother's helping me out with this.
And you do know that in order for me to pour it in there, I gotta have that cup in my other hand, right?
Yeah, here.
Because I can't bring it over here because I might actually spill it on your iPad and phone.
Yeah, alright, go ahead and do that. He's gonna put the water in there for me, since it'd be easier that way. Also, you might see me looking off to the side. My brother found this in the mailbox, which I don't know where this came from. I have it charging right now. So it's like I don't know what it is, where it came from, because I didn't order it. Yeah. I don't know how it got there or anything. Alright.
Incoming.
Alright, did you put the 1 cup in there?
Yes, and a little bit extra to, fill it up some, so.
Alright,
here you go.
Thank you, Fluffer.
Hi, everyone.
Alright, so now I need to stir it. Let's see. Ooh, it does smell good.
Yeah, it does.
Let's see. Hot water, stirring to enjoy. Alright, so again, this is from Tryit. I'm not sure where this pushing thing came from. It looks like it could be a Bluetooth speaker. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it might be a Bluetooth speaker or something. Because
yeah, it's like I can check.
Yeah, never hurts,
Yeah. Can you
Are you want me to check with my phone? Since I can do it on my phone?
on my iPad.
All right, I can do that.
Alright, be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'm still stirring this. I'll figure out the pushing thing. I don't know what it is. So yeah, I've been stirring this for a hot minute. That tastes a bit weak. I'm not even sure if I put 2 in there.
Okay. With the smell, it smells like, to me, with it having water in it, it smells like tuna. That's what it smells like to me.
No, lift.
Hey. Hold on.
He's sniffing it. No, up. Hand it to me without putting the top back. Take the top back off, bro. Alright, so taking another scoop.
I mean, I'd rather sniff that than plastic like Dashy does.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so right now I'm still stirring it. Alright, that is a bit stronger.
It reminds me of that video when that little girl started saying something about the telly tea bag. Remember that video, Tina?
No, don't even do that.
But hey, you know which video I'm talking about.
Yeah, Charlie, can you get me the creamer? Coffee creamer. Be right back. Alright, so I just added some coffee creamer.
Yeah.
Alright. It needs to cool. It needs, find somewhere else for it. Alright, so, yeah. Alright, the coffee creamer I just put in here is clumping up.
Tina?
Alright.
Right there. You can see it. How about that, y'all? Just make sure that she finds it in a nice spot.
Yep. I'm not even sure if it's supposed to be clumping like this. By this, I mean like this. Hold on, let me find the expiration date. No, it's good. Good by March of next year.
Well, at least got 1 whole year until that expires.
Mm-hmm.
And I can't win until this Wednesday. What does it taste like?
Like coffee.
I love you too, smarty pants.
Yep, alright, so... Oh, I can feel it working on me. The, coffee. Can you hand it to me again? Please. I think they had a dark chocolate flavor.
Chocolate.
Yum, yum. Let's see here. Base, which means bottom. This is best by April of next year. Alright, so I'm trying to find out like the coffee part of this. I mean the caffeine part. So I don't see where it's saying anything about caffeine, but I feel the caffeine. I'm reading this here, created by Starbucks coffee experts using the same high quality 100% Arabica beans we brew in our cafes. Our Starbucks medium roast is a perfectly balanced Latin American coffee with creamy notes of milk, chocolate, and nuts. Ethically sourced, we carefully roast the beans, capturing the exceptional aroma and premium taste so you can enjoy a delicious Starbucks coffee at home. So yeah, I knew it had to have milk in there because that's what I ordered. Not milk, chocolate, because it's like that's what I ordered. So yeah, y'all can probably like notice a difference in my talking now because I'm talking a little bit faster. So I think it's got definitely got caffeine in it. My ice cream soda's away from me. I don't need it now. Thank you. Alright, so it's like I can feel it working. I will have my stuff linked down there in the description. So, yeah. I had to read this card again. Alright, so I think that's going to be about it for this video. I guess I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.